welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. We're back
with the Gen.
With the Gen. This is part 2 of the small bike sessions. If you saw the first one, we got a nice big juicy engine for our little 125 and giving it a few upgrades. And this is hopefully going to be the day where we wrap it all up and take it for a spin. So we had to wait for some bits. That's why we got a bit delayed. We've got a new rectifier regulator.
It's a box.
I know, but it's in it.
Well, it could be any old box.
Oh, just to prove the point. Ooh,
that's a
new bits. This is. I took a trip down to Kent. Well, no, we're in Kent. Down to the little monkey world.
Super speed.
Look at that. Where's my camera? Genuine double O racing super spin. And also, while I was there, I picked up some porn. So very fetching. That hopefully got it ready. Offset against the gold on the bike. Some new foot pegs as well, because my current ones can't use due to where the exhaust pipes come to sit. So the plan is get this, bolt it on, get that, bolt that on. Look at that gap on that. Yeah, new girth. And have a good time doing it. So firstly, we're going to mount these and see where our exhaust sits. Right, it's a bit cramped, but yeah, we're making progress. The foot pegs are on.
Well, we are still in a secret location.
I know the secret location that we really should get out soon because we're minimal daylight down here. But it's giving me a nice glow on this afternoon. And it's dry, which is always good. Yes, so the foot pegs are on, the exhaust is bolted up. So we'll give you a little as I fall over. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, well, that's the.
Put your beer can in it.
Oh yeah, for scale, this is an average Australian lager can.
Are you going to chip that in it?
And I've got to watch because it's quite full still. Look at that.
Can launcher.
Yeah, can launcher. So we'll have a play with that when that one's empty. And this gold bit here, this is our new peg. They're bolted up. They put this bolt up to the bottom of the engine, which is quite sexy. Yeah. So we're getting there. So charging. We're doing a new chain on it because this one's shagged. Changing the gearing, and still got the brake pedal to sort out yet. But no, it's coming along nicely. So tubers, you might notice we're in a different location now. Yes, good word. It actually took about 7 months to sort that brake pedal because the world ended in the meantime. So we started shooting, we're getting it all done. We had to manufacture some plates to get the brake pedal to fit, and we never went out again after that. So this is the catching up on what happened to our little 125. You saw us get the engine in, and we were fitting the pegs and the new exhaust pipe, and basically where did we get to? And yeah, like I said, we were sorting the rear brake. So that's all done now, and it's ready. So we're going to give you a little tour round of everything that happened in the meantime, what's new, what we got rid of, and the bits you've already seen. So yes, I'll zoom in a bit, we'll give a nice look around and show you what happened. So this is the finished product. This was the 140 phase 5 lump that we were fitted from Double O Racing. Nice GP style pipe. That's probably the first time you've been able to look at it properly. The matching foot pegs that we got on, they were also Double O Racing. They bolt onto the engine. And that brake pedal, yeah, we had to manufacture that, the mounting bracket and the pedal, because the standard one had to go, so we made a brand new one for that. A big carb hanging off the side. So all of that is new down the bottom there. The rest of the bike is still the same as it was. In that gap there, I will fit the old oil cooler back on eventually, because I feel like we're missing something there. It's quite a space. Golden caliper on the front. So I will show you the new speedo. You can just see the side of it there. I'll show you fully digital, because we had to make a few alterations with that too. So this is the new speedo. The problem we had with these trolley wheels, we couldn't actually fit a speedo pickup in it. So we've had to fit one with a magnetic pickup. And also it doesn't have a clock in it, so that's my new handlebar clock. Yeah, always best to know what the time is. This is our, might have seen that in the previous video as well. Check this out. Oh, fully digital. Yeah, we've got full tank at the moment, so that's good. I'm currently done 7.8 miles on it. And that is pretty much all the upgrades. Turn it off, conserve the battery. Oh, and also, another new addition, we've got a mirror. So, I know it's taken, like I say, about 7 months to finally get this one out to you. But that's the new setup. And that is finally the 125 shown off and finished. So, we're not actually sponsored by Double O Racing, if some of you were wondering. Check them out, they do good gear, but if they would like us to endorse their product, please get in touch. And we'll see you next time. So thanks very much for watching. Like this video, like all the other videos, subscribe, tell your friends, and see you again.